Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix black screen with cursor in Windows. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Well, for this there is a solution and it is simple. What we must do is the following. We will maintain press the button power during 45 seconds. It does not matter that the PC is turned off. If it is turned off, they continue maintaining it pressed until the 45 seconds are fulfilled. Once the time has passed, we will turn it on as always pressing the power button once. And that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you.